Hello friends, so today we are going to unbox a phone Samsung Galaxy ON6, which could not make pretty good in the market, but still it is good. If you will buy it from any e-commerce online website like Flipkart or Amazon, so then you will get to know that even after its rating is not like it doesn't do well, even then its rating is almost 4.6, so we can consider it as good. Okay, so we just ordered it through Flipkart, and we can see some primary features of it on the box itself. Infinity display, like it is almost covered with the display completely. There is no more rooms on the upper and the lower section of the screen, and then that we have 13 megapixel primary camera, 8 megapixel secondary, fingerprint sensor is there, and I guess face unlocking is also there. 14.25 centimeter HD plus SA AMOLED LED display, 4 GB RAM and 64 GB memory, 64-bit octa-core processor, 3000 mAh battery, and face recognition. And yeah, I'll tell you that definitely it is having, like, why it couldn't do well, because because of the battery. Sorry. So just because of the battery it couldn't do well, and we are going to open it. So I just cut out all of the stickings from the packet. So this is the user manual. Okay, quick start guide we have. Then we have this phone inside the box. Okay, so this looks pretty good. See, in look it is pretty good. It is completely covered with a wrapping of protector from scratches. So I ordered it last day, and I just switched it on and I left it, and it is connected through Wi-Fi. You can see last day I ordered it, it was at 45, like I received it last day, so battery was 45%, and now it is 22%, and it is connected to Wi-Fi all the time inside the box. I was not aware that I left it switched on in the box. Okay, so I won't consider it as worse, even though I would like to give it a good rating. Although if you will see the ratings at the Flipkart, and for the battery it has been given almost 2.6 or 2.7 something, somewhere around 3 rating it has been given. That means that is not pretty good, but still, yeah. Okay, so what we are getting inside the box, as this was the, like, legacy model we have, so they are giving headsets also. So this is the ejector, same ejector pin we have one. Okay, we have a charger in the box, you can see. Okay, yeah, so this is charger, 1 ampere, data cable, and one headset. So headset is also coming now. Almost every manufacturer, every provider has stopped giving headsets. So when we talk about the phone, its performance is not as bad as all are thinking, because it is having 4 GB of RAM and 264-bit of octa-core, with 1.6 gigahertz of clock speed. So it is not a bad phone. Okay, so if anyone wants to have such features in 11,000 with a reliability, because although it matters that service after sales, so Samsung is giving good services, so you guys can go, because we have went through Redmi phones also, Xiaomi phones, those are not doing well, even though they are giving, like, in cheapest rate they are giving more specifications, but that doesn't matter, because phone gives frequently very heavy problems, just like hang, call issues, and all, so many things are there. So let's go to the phone stuff. What we do have, here. So we have two slots. Okay, and this is not having a hybrid slot, so it is completely expandable up to 256 GB. So 64 GB is there given already, and after that 64 GB is there. Okay, battery information 22%, 3000 mAh. You can see that they have given these options on the screen. So completely this phone is like complete, the complete area is covered with a screen itself. And if you want, you can make it permanent, or like currently this is permanent, but it may hide for you. And see, there is some Samsung Play Store also. If you want, I won't allow it for now. Okay, so they have given a shortcut for that. All the apps they have given in advance stored. Yeah, so we were looking into the settings. Software information, you can see Samsung experience version is 9.0 and Android 8.0. So maybe Oreo it is. So they are giving Oreo, and all the software releases are there given. If you want to reset it, you can reset it. So we have a few advanced features also, just like fingerprint sensor gesture. You can like set your settings to phone unlock and all, where you have to set your, in the privacy lock screen section we have to do the locking and all. Biometrics and security, here you can put your fingerprints, your face recognition, locking, unlocking, and your pattern security. Okay, so this seems a good phone. If anyone is looking to buy for a 12,000 phone, then it is worth of. And if there you can get something in exchange offer, then it is definitely win-win situation for you. So I hope that's all from my side for this. Okay, thanks.